All right, so we're here with Carmen. He's having some neuropathy, pain on his feet. His pain level is around 10. How long have you had neuropathy?
Say about 3 weeks, 4 weeks.
4 weeks.
Yeah.
And I see that is bothering you while you walk.
Yeah.
Right, so it's hard for you to walk sometimes.
Yeah. I used to cut the lawn. I want to get back cutting my own lawn.
Oh, okay, yeah.
But it's a pull, not a push, but
Yeah, gotcha. So you want to be able to do that again.
yeah.
All right, so let's get you started so we can get you, walking better and, cutting the lawn and doing it on your own. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 down. Slow. Up. Again, press up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Nice and slow. Way into 7.
Okay.
One more.
One more.